Hey there Titans, in this video I'll show you how to manage your Titan Docs versions using the Titan Worded In and Titan Forms with GitHub. Alright, so I've created a very simple Word document using the Titan Worded In, and what I will do is I'll publish this to a new form. So I have very simple two objects here, accounts and contacts as a table, and let's publish this to a new form, and we'll call this perfect, and let's publish. Okay, and we have it done, and let's take a look at our form, and there it is. Start off as an empty form. We have a record ID. What we will do next is head over to debug mode and hit enable versions, and we'll take a look at view versions, and then we can either manage the versions using GitHub or use the Titan versions. In this video I'll show you how to use the GitHub. So I'll click use GitHub and I'll click to authenticate. Since I'm already logged into GitHub, I don't need to authorize or log in because I'm already logged in. And now Titan will ask me to select a repository. So let's create a new one. And I'm just gonna add a new repository. And we'll call this Titan Docs and Word. And that's created. And I'm just gonna create an initial file. And we'll say hello, and this will be committed to our main branch. And here you can work with branches as well. And let's go ahead, click view versions, GitHub, and select our Titan Docs and Word, and select our main branch. I'll hit apply and save. And now we need to put in a comment. So I'll say initial comment. And I'll say commit, or we can say without commit, obviously, and it will not commit our changes. Let's take a look at our word mapping. So I'll head over to form settings, word mapping, and take a look at the template. So we have our template here. Everything is set up. Now what we will do is head back to our Word. What we will do now is let's add a change. Let's duplicate this guy and we'll put it twice, and let's put in some text here and here, and let's publish this. In this instance I'll publish this to this form. Once we have enabled GitHub and I will hit override, what we will get here is commit comment, and I'll say added some text to the Word doc, and I'll hit publish. Now let's head to our GitHub repository and I'll refresh it, and we can see our latest commit added some text to the Word doc. And if I'll head over here and I'll say configure, and let's see the template that we currently have. And what I will do is download template, and we have it over here. And this is the one I just downloaded from the template that we have currently on the Titan form. And we can see our changes, hello changed, hello there, everything is up to date. But what if I head back to my debug mode, I'll click at enable versions, and I see my commits. So I see my initial commits, I see added some text to the Word doc, and I'll click use this version. Now watch how amazing this is. I'll head back to my document and I'll download this template. And this is our latest template. We just downloaded it, and we can see that it reverted back to our first document version. So this basically lets you handle all your document additions in a very, very easy way to manage, since we have comments and it's on GitHub, and from there the sky's the limit. And if we will add some more text, so let's remove this one, and I'll say more changes, and something like so. And let's head back to our Titan add-in, and I'll say publish to existing form, and we'll do publish template, and I'll do override, changed some stuff on doc, and I'll hit publish. And let's take a look at our debug, view versions, and I can see my latest version. Again, if I use this version, it will revert back to this one or to this one, vice versa. So this is a very, very powerful way to manage your document version. You can see everything you're doing at the moment that you're doing it, and it's very powerful. Enjoy.